I'm going to show you how to write a story straight from some videos. So we'll select our student, Helen, click on that, and our story group, Holidays, and we're going to write a new story. Now this time we are going to write our story from videos. So select that button down the bottom, and here we go. Here's page 1. We're going to add video to our first page. So we'll click on that. Now this is a new video. So we're going to click on new video, and I've connected my mobile phone to the computer. So I'm going to go straight to the mobile phone. Click on the phone, go to DCIM, go to camera, and I'm going to go and find these videos that I have taken. So here's the one I want. Select that one, open it. StoryMaker copies it in, so you don't have it's now copied into the program. You don't need your mobile phone connected anymore in order to use that video. We're going to select a section out of that video. So this looks rather strange, it's upside down, but don't let that worry you, just rotate it. There we go. We can rotate the video. We can play the video by hitting the little triangle button. And we can decide
going to go and see the birds.
How much of that video we want to use. So I'll move the cursor back. This time when I want the video where I want it to start, I'm going to push that green arrow. So I start playing it, and then I hit the green arrow and I play.
We're going to go and see the birds, aren't we?
And then I'm going to hit the red arrow on the other side in order for that's the bit of the video that I'm going to use. Its length is 7 minutes and 7 seconds, I should say, and 59. So let's play it.
We're going to go and see the birds, aren't we?
Okay, and then I'm happy with that, so we hit the tick button, and now that's on our first page. Now we can add another page. We're going to select another video, and I'm going to go and get another one off that phone. Back into the phone, DCIM, there it is, down camera, and I'm going to go and find the next video that I want. So I'm going to select this one here, copies it over, and select new section. Again, it's upside down, but don't let that worry you. You can turn it over. We'll play it.
We go over the bridge. There's the stream. And then we're going up the hill.
So, in this page, we're going over the bridge.
We go over the bridge. There's the stream.
And we'll just pause it there. We'll play it.
We go over the bridge. There's the stream.
And that will be our second page. Okay, let's add one more page. We select our video. It's another video. Back to the phone. Go to DCIM. To the camera. And go find the other video, the next video that you want to use. This time we're going to take one where we go to see the birds. And we can play it by hitting the triangle button.
Birds are being very noisy.
So we can go back a bit and we'll hit the start button to select it there.
Birds are being very noisy.
And then when we've got enough, we can hit the red button. Play it.
Birds are being very noisy.
And so we have our story. Now we've got 3 pages, all with videos. So I'm going to say, yes, I'm happy with that, but you could go on and make a much longer story. Now it's taking me to page 1. Now we can go and get a picture of the video. So this story is going to be called Going to See the Birds. Here we go. We're going to select a picture from the video. So here it is. And if you're happy with that, and I am happy with that, we can just take a picture. Take the picture, and then we can use the picture. Now we're going to have to rotate it. That's fine. We can rotate it and save. We can put in keywords, and I think because this is the botanical gardens, I'll put gardens as my keyword. Hit the tick button. Going to see the birds. We've done page 1. So now we can do page 2. Now this time we can go and get the picture. We'll do it before we write the text, shall we? From the video. Now this is us going over the bridge, so we'll just move the cursor along. There we are. That looks good. Take a picture. Use that picture. Just got to rotate it and save the picture. Call it bridge. Whoops. Bridge. Here we go. And now we can type in our text. We walked Okay, we've done our second page. Now we can do our third page. This time we will again go and get the picture from the video, and we'll have to rotate the video. There we go. Let's just see if we can get the little girl showing in the video. There we are. I think that will do. We'll take that picture and use that picture. Save, click on save. We'll call it birds. Isn't it? The birds were very noisy. Now we've got our 3 pages, and then we go next. Finish and save. So now we've got another story called Going to See the Birds. Going to see the birds.